ClubExpress, print letters, creating templates. The print letters function allows administrators to generate printable documents for physical mailings of membership renewal notices and new member letters. It also allows us to print copies of our members' virtual membership cards. In this video, we'll review how to create a letter template for your mailed renewal notice and new member welcome letters. To get started, head to the Control Panel's People tab and select the Print Letters function. Click on the Letter Templates button and then the Create New Template button. Optionally, select a type of letter we would like to base the template on. Select the type of letter the template will be used for, and give the template a name. Then, edit or fill in the body of our letter using the text editor tools. Note that we can insert a number of system tags into the email that will automatically fill in member information such as their name, expiration date, current membership type, and more. To insert a tag, we select the data you would like to insert into our letter, place our cursor in the body where we would like the tag to go, and then click the Insert Tag into Letter link. There should now be a placeholder for the information in our letter. Once the body of our letter is complete, we use the final two checkboxes to select if we would like our organization logo included in the header of our letter, and whether or not we'd like to include a printout of their virtual membership card along with the letter. Virtual membership cards are an optional add-on feature, and this may not apply to your organization. We can save our template and repeat the process for each type of letter we need to send. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.